everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. How do I make it creamy, delicious? Langostino lobster tail in white sauce. And I'm going to show you today. And it's very delicious and very tasty. So without wasting time, let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. Langostino with Alfredo sauce, frozen, and these are wild caught, fully cooked. So I'm going to use 1 pound. We're going to wash it. We can take the ice out and then we're going to use them. Along with butter, olive oil, onion, garlic, and spices. So let's get started. Start burner. Get a frying pan. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. As the butter starts to melt, add garlic. Now add onion. Cook onion until they are nicely translucent. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Onions are nicely translucent. Now we're going to add pre-cooked langostino, and this is what I did. I washed with the cold water. Then I drain the water. It's a fully drained. So now we're going to add this one with onion. And we're going to mix it. As for the spices, you always can add according to your taste, but I'm adding half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon black pepper. This is all we need. So now we're going to use Alfredo sauce. This is 15 ounce. Bring your gas to medium. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons water and I'm going to shake it, then we're going to put it inside. Mix it. This is very quick and easy recipe and it's super delicious. So we added a couple tablespoons water and this is perfect. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid on medium gas. Cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes with the cover lid on medium flame. I'll open it, mix it. I'm going to add parsley flake. Mix it well. Turn off your gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Very tasty, delicious recipe. Let me share it with you. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this quick and easy recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.